Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Now, today in this video, we are going to study about the 7th chapter of your English grammar book, that is, the simple past and the past continuous tenses. Now the question is, what are tenses? The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or happening, whether it is in the present, past or future. And as you already know that in English grammar, tenses are of three types, that is past tense, present tense and future tense. Let us revise. The tense of a verb tells us about the time of an action. The present tense of a verb tells us that the action is taking now or at present, about which we have already studied. The past tense of a verb tells us that the action took place in the past. Now let us understand about it. A verb not only tells us about an action, but it also tells us about the time of an action. Have a look on example. Sam walks to school every day. Sam walked to school yesterday. Now the verb walks tells us the action is taking place in the present moment. The verb walked tells us that the action took place at a certain time in past. Now, do you know that verbs have different forms, and the forms of verbs are the foundation for tenses, and they are the first form, that is the present tense, second form, that is the past tense, third form, which shows the perfect tense, fourth form, that is the continuous or ing form. All action verbs comes from the base form of a doing verb. A base verb is the simplest form of a verb without any special ending. Here you can see a base verb changes form to show tense. Play, that is the base verb. It shows the present tense. Now when this play is changed to played, it shows past tense, which is the second form. Finally, when it is changed to will play, it presents the future tense. Now here is a chart of forms of verb. That is the first form, base form, present tense. Second form, which shows the past tense. Third form, past participle or perfect tense. Fourth form, present participle or ing form. Have a look on examples. Go, second form is went. Third form, gone. And the fourth form, ing form, is going. The same thing, eat, ate, eaten, eating, see, saw, seen, seeing, and so on. So let us now study about past tense. We use the past tense to show an action that took place or happened at a certain time in the past. Let us understand with example. Here it is saying, we played football yesterday. Now the verb played tells us that the action took place in the past. Therefore, it is a past tense sentence. One more example. I wrote a poem for my mother. The verb wrote which is the second form of right, tells us that the action took place in the past and hence it is a sentence of simple past. Now let us read the third example. She sang sweetly. Now sang is the second form of sing. So the verb sang tells us that the action took place in the past. Now the past tense are further divided into four parts, that is simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. But today in this video we are going to study about the tense that is simple past. Now let us understand with example. Here it is written, the soldiers fought the war bravely. Now what is fought? Fought is the second form of fight. So here the soldiers have already fought the war is a sentence of simple past tense. Second example, Harry won the first prize. Now here the verb won is the second form of the verb win. So here the sentence says Harry has already won the prize. One more example, the bottles fell down the shelf. Now here the bottles have already fallen down from the shelf. So this is the example of a simple past tense. Now let us understand about the structure or the rule of forming a sentence in simple past tense. Here the sentence is written, the cat ran after the mouse. Now what is cat? Cat is the subject. Ran is the second form of the verb run. And mouse is the object. So the sentence implies that the cat was running behind the mouse in the past and is no longer running now. One more example, the bomb exploded after few minutes. Now here the bomb is the subject. Second form of the verb explode is exploded and the object after a few minutes. So here the sentence implies that the bomb exploded in the past. Have a look on this example also. Andes did his work honestly. Now Andes is the subject and the second form of do is did and the work is the object. So here the sentence implies that the work is already done by Andes. Hope the topic is clear to you. So let us revise what we studied today. Today we studied about simple past tense, its uses and the structure of the formation of a sentence in a simple past tense.